Josh here from Metabo, here at Ohio Power Tools today. We're going to go over our tuck point grinding system. What makes ours unique, first off, is we have a very powerful grinder. It's a 10.5 amp motor. This is the HD version. If you look here, there's an extra aluminum housing piece here. That helps dissipate the heat. This is a very tough application on power tools, especially on the grinders. You're grinding typically 8 hours straight. They're working fast. That heat will start to heat up the gears and the bearings, and that's what burnt up a lot of grinders on this application. This is a 5-inch grinder. This is a 5-inch hood as well, made specifically for 5-inch. What guys like about ours, and it was made by tuck pointers, they wanted ease of use, something they could see the wheel, and something that tells you what direction to go in. You'd be surprised how many guys would want to go the other way, but typically you want to go this way because the grinder is going to be spinning that way, pulling the dust into the hose. We have very high CFM in our vacuums, which is a perfect application to use together with this tool. This is a diamond wheel. You can use any of the diamond wheels that are out there, but of course we suggest you use Metabo diamond wheels on our machines. This is a locking switch. There's no problems with using the locking switch on these applications. We'll go over the vac, the main benefits of it, and how it works. What's different about ours compared to everyone else is we have a mechanical cleaning device on the vacuum. We do not use reverse airflow. Almost every other competitor out there uses reverse airflow. What this means is every 20 or 30 seconds the air reverses, and that's what cleans the filter, so you lose suction. So if you're going to do something like this, you would lose suction every 20 or 30 seconds, so you couldn't keep that overhead. With the mechanical cleaning, it cleans one side at a time, and it only cleans when it's dirty. Most competitors clean every 20 or 30 seconds regardless. Another really nice feature about these is the two HEPA filters, are washable with water and can be washed up to 3 times. Just make sure you let it air dry for 72 hours, especially if you live in a humid area like we do. So that's very important. A couple other unique features. It's tool activated, so you can plug your tool in. When the tool turns on, the vacuum turns on. When you turn the tool off, there's a delay. And it does explain to you the AR is the tool activation. Just to run the tool, standard is IR. Of course, the 0 is to turn off. If you look here at the current control, that's really nice. If you work in a lot of older buildings, you kick a lot of breakers, you can turn the amperage down of the vacuum. This will not affect your grinder or other tool that you have plugged in. You will lose some CFM on there, so just make sure you're aware of that. This has very high CFM at the hose. We were the highest rated vacuum for CFM at the hose, which really helps. CFM is actually really important for grinding because of a fine dust, also drilling. So you'll notice when we do some demos later on, there'll be 0 dust coming out of it from the tuck pointing, which is a very dusty application. Another nice thing about the vac is there's a bunch of different attachments you can get with it. What comes with the vacuum though is a hose, 2 HEPA filters, and of course the vacuum. All your casters and everything come with the vacuum, as well as a HEPA bag. This is the HEPA version. I tend to push people towards the HEPA simply because if they are going to do any drilling, anchor drilling, they will need to have HEPA. The law states for tuck pointing and grinding, 99% efficient self-cleaning vacuum. For any drilling out of holes, you need to have a 99% efficient vacuum with HEPA self-cleaning. So if you're going to do any drilling, just make sure you get the HEPA vacuum.